guys, so it's the first time we're going to look at the garden. I've been away on holiday for 5.5 weeks. It is raining, it's not nice, but it's the first time I've been able to come down and see the garden. Let's see what it looks like. My wee mum. Dun dun dun. Here she is. A bit of a mess. Here is my snapdragon, which look like they have been suffering in the rain. It's a wee bit weedy. These are my chrysanthemum. What else have we got? This is my bergamot coming. This seems to be a pumpkin. My achillea is looking great. And my Rebecca are amazing. But it seems some of them have been knocked down or just fallen over because they're so heavy. Look at these guys. This is my Daucus and it's looking great and it's not dead. It is, however, surrounded by weeds. And I was hoping this would be a bed of Lysianthus and it's not. It's just weeds. Looks like I have missed my scabious. It's all just gone. This should be Sweet William and it's doing nothing. This was my Geum. I've got some zinnia, but not very much. And my dahlia are being knocked about and lying down, but I do have some coming. We just need to get deadheading. Mixed bag. Lots of weeding to get done today. Some flowers there. Let's cut through and see what we can find. Of all the weeds I expected to find in my garden after my wee break, a watermelon was not one of them.
Not very nice.
You're a bit tired. There's a lot of deadheading, a lot of weeding. The Lysianthus, I've only got 3 or 4 left and they're not doing anything. My Daucus data is looking banging. A couple of cosmos. I have corralled my Rebecca and heavily deadheaded them and hope that they're going to come back for me. This is all cleared out. My lupin have all gone. I didn't get anything off of them. But my yarrow was lovely and I managed to cut a lot of that. My chrysanthemum are looking good. My poppy have all died back and gone and it was too wet and soggy to get any poppy heads, so they were all just rotted away. I think about half of my glads have come and I'm still waiting for the other half. I've still got some echinacea thinking about coming through. I think these are my green twister ones. I've missed a lot of my scabious. This seems to be my scabious, which is come and gone. I think they make quite nice seed heads though, so I'm leaving them. This one looks like it still might come for me. This is my Sweet William, which hasn't flowered at all and should have. It's a spring flower, but it's a perennial, so, you know, it might still come or it might come for me next year instead. Same with my Geum, which we managed to rescue from that big weedy patch. My zinnia, I have chopped back, cut what I could, but mostly deadheaded a lot. These are all of the sunflowers, which I still dislike. My straw flower, a lot of them have died back. These are the pastel ones. These should be my brighter coloured ones, and I only seem to have one of them left. These are my fancier chrysanthemum that I put in. My snapdragon are not looking good, and I think that's probably them, not only because they're not producing very many flowers, but the stems are really thin and not very usable, so I think they're gone. My salvia from last year is looking nice and bushy, but it's not really giving me many flowers yet, so maybe it'll get better. This is my bergamot, which I think I missed the best flowering of, but these turn into cute little spiky things once all the petals have fallen off, so I'll just leave that there. And hopefully I can still get something from it. And then my random, I found 2 watermelon hidden in here, which is coming from next door's vine. It just was creeping through the dahlia. But these I have corralled and deadheaded as well. But there's still lots of buds coming on these. So hopefully I'll get a nice dahlia crop still to come. And that is everything cleared out and looking a whole lot better. Yeah, a little devoid of flowers. Okay, let's me calling it a day. I am hot, sweaty, dirty and bitten, but I got some flowers and the garden isn't perfect, but it's looking a lot better and my wee mum's ready to pass out.
On the verge of success, it's all white and fluffy, horizons are blurred, horizons are blurred.